Welcome to this week's webcast for Realty Times. I'm Leanne Locken.
And I'm Derry Hayes.
This week we lead with a story about the housing recovery shifting into high gear with double-digit home price increases nationwide, and the economy is getting a lift from the tailwind.
Buyers had better move quickly. Mortgage interest rates are up for the third consecutive week.
And we have another amazing story from our city report. In Big Oil, Houston, Texas, home prices have already skyrocketed past record levels set back during the boom.
In our advice segment, more errors are showing up in credit reports, and home sellers are encouraged to sell their home with a home warranty. For some, a home warranty may not be wise.
Well, let's get started now with some real estate news that you can use. Derry, did you know that the housing recovery is full-blown double-digit mode right now? I mean, the annual rate of home price growth moved into double digits in each of the three major Standard & Poor's Case-Shiller Home Price Indices, HPI.
That's the first time that's happened since the final days of the last housing boom. But let's not forget, home prices nationwide remain, on average, more than 25% below peak market values, according to analysis by Capital Economics.
Maybe not for long. The S&P Case-Shiller report reveals the 10-city composite index of home prices increased by 10.3%. The 20-city index was up 10.9%. And the national index, it rose by 10.2%.
Yes, those are year-over-year increases ending in March. During the same period, all 20 cities posted positive year-over-year home price growth. Both the 10-city and 20-city indices are now also showing 12 consecutive months of month-to-month home price gains.
Phoenix, well, that was the home price gain leader with a 22.5% increase in home prices over the past year ending in March. After Phoenix came San Francisco at 22.2%, and then, well, it was Las Vegas, Nevada at 20.6%.
Rounding out the top five were Atlanta with a 19.1% gain in home prices, and Detroit with an 18.5% gain.
Capital Economics says even in the cities where price gains were weakest, namely New York only 2.6% and Cleveland only 4.8%, price growth was running well ahead of household income growth.
Economic exuberance gets some of the credit for the housing recovery, and the housing recovery gets much of the credit for economic exuberance, according to Fannie Mae's forecast for the second half of 2013.
Yes, Fannie Mae says the second half of 2013 will be a bit stronger than the first half of the year, which was held back by government's sequester. Labor and financial markets should get a boost in the upcoming months.
And much of that boost will come from housing. Fannie Mae says the housing recovery is growing at a sustainable pace and is expected to act as a tailwind for the economy into 2014.